U.S.S Missouri, and they were saying a kamikaze plane actually hit it on the side, and you can see the bends on the side of the ship right here where the impact occurred. So apparently for the Battle of Okinawa, just reading this here, very interesting that Japan and the Allied nations gathered on this ship to make the formal agreement for the surrender of Japan in World War II. Down we go to the belly of the beast. This is a mess. If you look closely, they have like the original design. This is the Chief Petty Officer's Mess Hall, and just from what I've seen so far, it seems like being the Chief Petty Officer would have been the move compared to the General Enlisted Man in regards to just the slight higher quality and living conditions on a ship which you would be on for a long period of time. Further on that point, here's the lounge. Lots of very nice couches. Did not have this in the other areas. And a TV. Wow. Luxury right here. And here is the bunk space for the Chief Petty Officers. You see it's one on the floor, 2, 3, and I have some more back over there. Very cozy.
Program for an important news announcement.
Well, I'm a rebel. I'm gonna break the rules. No first aid. No. Okay, don't get hurt. Looks like this was one of the first ships to have PCs on them. So this is the beginning of personal computer security. Very interesting. So some of the tour guides were telling me some pretty interesting stuff about these guns and the huge guns on the front of the ship. Specifically the huge guns, he was saying that the gunpowder, he had to put 6 of them behind one bullet to launch it, and each one weighed about 200 something pounds, and the bullet itself weighed like 2,700 pounds. And then the actual gun, the front ones, were like 20,000 pounds or something crazy. Very automated, and he was saying that from here, one bullet could reach the north side of the island, which would be, just want to make sure you guys can see this, over the mountains, like way onto the other side of the island, which is insane. Something I can't even comprehend that distance. But yeah, and then here's the inside of one of the smaller guns. I don't know if you can see that very well, but yeah, you can see like just the whole operation involved. He was saying for those big guns, it was going to take like 77 men to launch those, and you would launch 1 every 30 seconds or 2 every minute out of each one, and there were 3, so 6 bullets in a minute, 77 men. Big operation over here. All right, guys, funny tourist moment. There's 2 viewing things right here. One from the original ship and one they put on here since this has become a tourist spot. This one you put quarters in, and this one is free. Yeah, I'm sure the technology has not changed. So I'm using the free one. See if I can get a, so you guys can see this. Oh wow, that's cool.